Good day, friends. I have got a lesson for you in creating posts in Camtasia that you can then share to your Windows 10 Pictures camera roll and then upload with the Windows 10 app. But then there's also another way that I found is even better, and I'll show you that in a minute. So first, once you put them in the camera roll and then you hit the camera icon, if you've got a camera, then of course you show up, but I don't want that. Instead, I want to click this little button and find my camera roll so I can upload the project that I made. So real quickly, let's get back to the build process. When you create one, if you're going to use that Windows 10 app, you need to really focus on the center 1/3 of your screen because the rest gets cropped out. Lap counter and this image is about as wide as the project can get. This is a 1080p project and I disclose everything in the center 1/3. When it was completed, I rendered it as 720p as counter B because it took me 2 tries. When it uploaded to my story from this click right here, it went from 60 seconds, which is the longest you can do an Instagram video for, down to 15, and it changed it to a .mov file. So those are things you have to be aware of. Here I'm going to take this same file though, and I'm going to put it in my Dropbox on my camera uploads folder. So I'm just pasting it to the Dropbox for a phone. Alright, and so then on a phone, you simply find your Dropbox. I keep my app right over here. And from the Dropbox app, you find where you uploaded that. So I need to update my uploads. There's my counter file. And then when I hit export, I can export it to Instagram. And I want it to go right to my feed because then I get the full 60 seconds with all the parts that I want. And I found this to be way more cool because I get more choices on how wide my project is, and I get more options as I build. Alright friends, so it's a half hour later and I could not get that one to upload. I might have made it exactly 60 seconds, which makes it probably too large. I'm going to try and back out and do it again with a smaller one that I did render at 480p. Alright, so you can see I named it 480. Click the little dots again. I'm going to choose export. I want to put it on my Instagram feed. This time it uploaded nice and quick. If I wanted, I could crop my video, but I don't want to. I intentionally made it so it fits. I don't want to add any filters. I'm just going to hit next. I'm going to also share this to Facebook, and I get to write a little caption. And then once I've got it tagged, I'm going to tell it I want it to go to Facebook and just hit share. And then let's switch to Instagram and see how it turned out. This was the short one. That was the one that was created a moment ago. And here is our new one that is uploaded and has the entire 60 seconds. I've got my sound turned down, but hey, there you can see how Dropbox is probably the slickest way to take a project created in Camtasia and put it up on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends.